Want to know one of the best ways to generate leads for your business? We're talking about highly targeted and well-qualified leads. If so, I have good news for you. More and more businesses are using proven Google AdWords marketing strategies to grow their businesses fast. But you may have concerns and questions you want answered, and we want to help by giving you a free report titled Google AdWords Secrets for the Local Business. This is a clearly written report that will help you understand how Google AdWords works, the types of keywords that are best for your business, and everything else you need to know to make the best decision possible. This report in no way is endorsed or in partnership with Google. It is for educational purposes only based on our research and experience. Simply complete the form on this page and download it now.